In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to document team decisions in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent record that explains what was decided, why it matters, and who's accountable. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the space where your team tracks decisions. Using a dedicated space keeps everything in one place, so people aren't hunting through meeting notes or chat threads. If your organization already has a decision space, go straight there. If not, pick the space your team uses most for project documentation to keep things discoverable. Create a new page. If your site offers a decision template, use it. It provides helpful sections out of the box and keeps formatting consistent across the team. If you don't see a template, a blank page works fine. You'll add the same structure manually. Add a clear, specific title for the decision. Aim for something that can be scanned quickly and understood months later, like adopt feature flagging for release rollouts rather than something vague. Good titles make search results more useful and help prevent duplicate discussions. Write the background, the options you considered, and the final decision. In the background, summarize the problem, constraints, and any relevant context that shaped the discussion. Keep it concise, but complete enough that a new teammate can understand the why. For options, list the viable approaches you evaluated, noting key trade-offs such as cost, complexity, risk, or timeline impact. Then state the final decision clearly and unambiguously. If there were caveats, scope limits, or a pilot period, capture those so the decision can be interpreted correctly later. Add the owner, the date, and related links. The owner is the person accountable for the decision or for keeping the page current, which helps avoid confusion. The date locks in when the decision was made. Related links might include meeting notes, design docs, tickets, or dashboards. Anything that backs up the context. Keep links relevant and avoid sensitive information. Share the decision page with the team. Use the share button or send the page link through your usual channels so stakeholders can read, comment, and align. Make sure the right people have access and briefly highlight the final decision when you share to drive quick understanding. If the decision changes later, update the same page. Add a concise note describing what changed and why, and adjust the title or summary if needed. Keeping the history in one place preserves context and prevents outdated copies from circulating. That's it. With this approach, your decisions stay clear, searchable, and easy for everyone to follow.